Hello, my dear students. Have a great day to all of you. Myself, Mrs. Kavita Kanade from LVH College, Panchwati, Nasik. This is our OCM's lecture. Today we will start new chapter, that is 8th chapter, Marketing. This is the last chapter of our syllabus. In this lesson, we have to learn about the meaning and definition of marketing, then the concept of market, then the importance of marketing, functions of marketing, and marketing mix. Types of market is not for our exam. In this year, this types of market is eliminated from the syllabus. What is marketing? We are living in such a era where there is lots of competition around us. There are thousands of brands around us, right from the toothpaste we use to the newspaper we read to the tea we drink, to the clothes we wear, to the vehicle we drive, to the institution we learn in, to the mobile services we use, we are exposed to brands. That means for each and everything we need in day to day life, there is a branding, there is a advertisement, and there is a marketing. In daily new products are launched in the market. That means this marketing concept is very wide concept. We are consumers and we are the targeted audience of these marketing agencies. The marketing department of these brands, along with hundreds of advertising agencies around the country, are ranking their brains on various ideas that could attract us to their brands. That means on each day, on each and every day, there are lots of products are arises in the market. New launchings are there, and how we get the information of this product with the help of advertisement. Every day we saw the advertisement on TV, in the on the newspaper, on the newspapers, or on the radios. We listen this advertisement or we read this advertisement, and we get the information of these different brands which are introduced in the market. That means this is the way to introduce the products, to introduce the brands in the minds of the consumers. That's why marketing plays an important role in the business life. Marketing as a business function is used by all businesses. A big company might show as an attractive advertisement on the TV by taking different models or hero heroines in their advertisement. And whereas a vegetable vendor might shout on the top of his voice to attract more people to his cart. Therefore, every business needs marketing, and this chapter introduces us to the concept of marketing. Now we will learn about the meaning and definition. Marketing is a key function of modern management. We are exposed to marketing of products and services and ideas almost every day. Study of marketing plays an important role as every one of us performing marketing activities in one or the other form. We are also doing marketing of different things. When we purchase the clothes from any shop, and if we like the clothes of that shop, and we also got that our clothes in a reasonable price, in a attractive offers, then we automatically we when we are talking with our friends, we automatically says that no, that shop is that shop is very good for purchasing the clothes. There are different varieties of clothes, and they are so giving big discounts on the clothes. That means this is the mouth publicity, and this is also the marketing. That means we are also doing the marketing in our everyday life. We are also the part of the marketing. Now we will learn about the definitions. First definition is given by the American Marketing Association. Marketing is the activity, set of institutions and processes for creating, communicating, delivering, and exchanging offerings that have values of consumers, clients, partners, and society at large. This is the definition given by the American Marketing Association. What marketing is the activity or it is the set of institutions and processes for what? For creating, communicating, delivering and exchanging offering that have value for consumers. That means through different types of marketing activities, through different type of advertisement, indirectly they communicate, they can businessmen or institutions communicate with with consumers. This is the exchanging of different ideas. That's why this is called as a marketing. That means creating, it is the activity of creating or exchanging offers that have values for consumers, clients, or partners, or society at large. Then, second definition is given by the Philip Kotler, that is, marketing is a societal process by which individuals and groups obtain what they need and want through creating, offering, and freely exchanging products and services of value with others. That means it is a social process by which individuals and group obtain which they need. How we get the information? Through marketing, because the marketing agencies or institutions create advertisement on lots of media and we get information through it, and we get the products whichever we want. Then third is World Marketing Association. This definition is given by the World Marketing Association. Marketing is the core business philosophy which directs the processes of identifying and fulfilling the needs of individuals and organizations through exchange which create superior value for all parties. In simple words, marketing creates the identification of any product and we get the product whichever we want. Now we will learn about the concept of market. To understand marketing, it is necessary to understand the concept of market. The term market is derived from the Latin word markets, which means to trade, mercantile, or a place where business is transacted. That is called as a marketplace. Market. You should remind that it is derived from the Latin word markets. That means to trade, mercantile, or a place where business is transacted. In simple words, market is the place where two or more parties are involved in buying and selling. These two parties involved in the transactions are called um, in the transactions. That means there are two parties. One is buyer and second is seller. And there is a activity which is buying or selling. These two parties involved in the transactions are called buyers and seller. The transactions of buying and selling take place with exchange of money. There are many concepts associated with the market, and according to this concept, there are different definitions of the term market are given in your textbook. In short, market is a place where buying and selling take place, and in the exchange of money. There is a buyer and one is a seller, and that place is called as a market. We all know the market. We go to purchase anything, like vegetables, commodities, different types of commodities, whichever we want. We go for that marketplace and we buy that products. We are the buyer and they are the seller, and we exchange that commodities in the form, we get the goods, or we get the commodities, and for that we pay the money. That means money exchange is there. Place concept of market, there are different terms are there. Place concept of market, then commodity concept of market, exchange concept of market, area concept of market. That means these concepts are divided into different things. That is a concept of market. Market is uh, these are the concepts of market: place concept, commodity concept, exchange concept, area concept, demand or consumer concept, space or digital concept. These are the different types of concepts of market. Six concepts are there. In short, we learn this. Place concept is for it gives importance to place where the transactions of buying and selling take place. That is called as a place concept. Place concept is what? Place where the transactions of buying and selling take place. Then second is commodity. Commodity concept is what? Process of buying and selling. Commodity in process of buying and selling. In commodity concept, there is a buying and selling of goods or services. That is called as a commodity concept. Then exchange of goods and services with free consent and mutual trust. Exchange market, what is exchange concept? Exchange of goods and services with free consent and mutual trust. That is exchange concept of market. Then fourth is area concept. Free association between buyer and seller to fix the prices for the exchange. That is called as a free area concept. Area concept means free association between buyer and seller to fix the price for the exchange. That is a area concept. The area concept of the market is related to the exchange concept. Then demand or consumer, need or demand of the consumer. That is the concept which is based upon the demand or need of the consumer. Consumer is the king of the market. We studied it in the last chapter. One of the importance perspective of the market is to access the need or demand of the consumer. Market can be studied from the perspective of demand or consumers. According to this concept, the aggregate demand by potential buyers of any products is market. Then space or digital, it is a digital market. Space or digital concept of market. Emergences of information technology gave birth to this new concept of the market. It is called as a space or digital concept of market. This is important for a point from the point of view of the short notes or short type of answer. That is, what is the meaning of space or digital concept of market? Or for short notes, space or digital concept of market. What is it? It is a new. It is the new concept of market, that is emerges of IT section. That means information technology give birth to this new concept. It is a space or digital concept. New and sophisticated e-commerce portals and mobile applications make the buying and selling easy and convenient for buyers as well as sellers. The communication media like telephone, mobile computer, internet, etc. have made direct contact between consumers and seller. It is easy for the consumers to know about quality, features, price, terms and conditions, etc. of any products of any company. Digital market can be defined as a market which uses information technology for buying and selling of the products or services and facilitates communication of quality, features, price, terms of exchange among them. This is called as a space or digital concept of market. Digital or space or digital concept of market. For example, Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Snapdeal, etc. This is the digital platform of market. Why it is called as a market? Because here also buying and selling take place. Here also the buyer and seller, and it is also in the exchange of money. All the activities perform in the exchange of money. That's why it is also called as a market, but it is on a digital platform. There is not a area, not a place is available on any on an actual basis. It is performed on a telephones, mobiles, computers, internet. Types of markets is eliminated from the syllabus in this year. That's why this is not for exam. I hope all are you understand the concept of marketing, then the meaning of market and the different concepts of market. Thank you for listening me carefully.